Hello everyone, myself Professor Venkat Ghurki. I am associated with Department of ENTC Engineering of AISSMS Institute of Information Technology. In this video, we will see the interfacing of LED, that is light emitting diode, with LPC2148, that is microcontroller. Now first of all we will see about the LED. The intensity of the light emitted by an LED depends on the amount of forward current passed through the device. The maximum allowable forward current is denoted by the IF max. When designing an LED circuit, we have to know the typical voltage drop, that is VTYP, across the device, and the maximum allowable voltage drop, VF max. The brightness of the emitted light is measured in millicandela, that is MCD, and this is usually reference to the forward current. For example, standard red LEDs are quoted to have brightness of 5 MCD when operated at the 10 milliampere current. Now we will see the interfacing of LED. Current passing through the LED should be limited to maximum forward current IF. To find the value of this resistor, we use the forward voltage and forward current. Now here we will design a current circuit with 5 volt supply and forward current of 10 milliampere. We can use here the red LED device as a component. Now a resistance, we have to calculate the resistance. 5 minus 2 divided by the 10 milliampere, that is equal to the 300 ohms. We can use, that's why we can use the 270 ohms. Now we can see here the schematic diagram of LED interfacing with the LPC2148, that is ARM7 microcontroller. Now while writing an application to blink LEDs, we have to follow the general steps. First, connect necessary pins using the pin connect block. The purpose of pin connect block is to configure the microcontroller pins to desired function. By default, GPIO is enabled. We have to set pins into an output mode and then set or clear the bit of respective pin to turn on and off LEDs. Uh, we can see here the embedded C code for the interfacing. First of all, we have to include the LPC2148.h, that is nothing but the header file. This includes statement add standard header file for all LPC2148 series of microcontrollers. All registers names has been defined in LPC2148.h file, that is called as header file. Now the purpose of this pin connect block, that is pin cell 0 and pin cell 1, is to configure microcontroller pin to desired function. Now since we have connected the LEDs to pin P0.15 to P0.22, we have to set pins into an output mode. As pins belongs to port 0, the direction control bit in IO dir register been used to configure these pins. Now while is used, this is never ending while loop. That's why we can use the while uh, loop. Now IO set is equal to the OX007F8000 would make output high for pin P0.15 to the P0.22. Now delay is also required. In this case, we have called delay loop in between, which generates significant delay between the process of turning LED on and off. Now clear is also required. IO clear 0, that is OX007F8000 would make output low for pin number P0.15 to the P0.22. This is the complete code, embedded code for interfacing of LED with the LPC2148. Thank you very much for watching this video.